How to buy Siren token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on COINEX. To be able to buy this token, it is simple. Copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token is under the BNB Smart Chain. Now open your wallet. For that, I would use the Bitget wallet. Click on the wallet here and select the BNB Chain network from here. Click on this plus icon. The token until here. As you can see, this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now after you add it to your wallet, go back and make sure to find your token. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it. Click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT, of course, on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive that token. So this is how much you receive. Now after that, it is simple. Click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Siren token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.